In case you haven't heard, Hyundai is preparing a new design language pompously dubbed Sensuous Sportiness for future production models, and it has been previewed already with the HDC-1 Le Fil Rouge. The drop-dead gorgeous concept made a big splash upon its debut back in March at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show as a swoopy low-slung coupe. Now, on its home turf in South Korea at the Busan Motor Show, Hyundai is unveiling the HDC-2 concept that goes by the name of Grandmaster and takes the shape of a large SUV. We only have these 3 images to go by for the time being and virtually no information about the concept, but at least we do know from Hyundai the SUV name DOES and have anything to do with the very talented Grandmaster Flash. Instead, it actually derived from the game of chess. According to Wikipedia, Grandmaster GM is awarded to chess players by the World Chess Organization FIDE. Apart from World Champion, Grandmaster is the highest title a chess player can attain. In an interview about a month ago, Hyundai design boss, Luke Donkerwook, referred to the Le Fil Rouge as being the queen, adding that the company next concept would be Bishop. This is it, a big and bold SUV serving most likely as a sneak preview of what to come in terms of a full-size SUV positioned atop the 7-seat Santa Fe XL launching next year. The 8-seater behemoth will act as a spiritual successor of the Veracruz and could be called Palisade based on a recent trademark filing. The Hyundai Palisade is not the only new large SUV to come from South Korea, taking into account it will be joined by the Kia Telluride in the years to come.